find real complex solutions to x to the fourth equals 1. Let's subtract both sides by 1, and then we will factor this out. It's a difference of squares, so it's x squared minus 1, x squared plus 1. We can still factor x squared minus 1 as x minus 1 times x plus 1, and then x squared plus 1, we'll just leave it alone. We'll set each factor equal to 0. X minus 1 equals 0 means x is 1. X plus 1 equals 0 means x is negative 1. And now for x squared plus 1, we can move that 1 to the other side and then take the square root of this, and the square root will be plus or minus square root of negative 1, which square root of negative 1 is just I. So the final answer will be x is plus or minus 1 or plus or minus I.